When you step into nature, you're not escaping life, you're returning to it. Every tree here breathes out what you breathe in. Every breeze carries negative ions that calm your nervous system and lift your energy. Without coffee, without effort. The light resets your rhythm. The sound reminds your body how peace feels. You don't have to try to recharge, you just have to be here. So next time you feel drained, don't scroll, step outside and let life plug you back in.